लखनऊ एक शहर नहीं, एक एहसास है। यहाँ के हवाओं में तहजीब है और खुशबू में स्वाद। टुंडे कबाब से लेकर मलाई मक्खन तक हर बाइट में एक कहानी छुपी है। ये शहर सिर्फ खाना नहीं परोसता, ये मोहब्बत, मेहनत और यादों का जायका भी देता है। जहाँ दोस्ती ने एक नई पहचान ली, बचपन के ख्वाब को एक कप कॉफी के साथ परोसने का फैसला लिया। ये कहानी है चाकोको की। ये सिर्फ एक फूड शो नहीं, ये है स्वाद और कहानियों का सफर।
Namaste. Welcome to Chaco, your go-to spot for global cuisine.
Hi, my name is Vipul.
I'm Ashish.
We have been school friends since a very long time. We were about 8 or 9 years old when we met each other, and since that time we have become very, very close friends.
जब जज्बा और जुनून साथ हो तो सपने भी हकीकत बन जाते हैं। आज चाकोको उसी जज्बे का नतीजा है। एक नाम, एक सपना, एक जज्बा। ये सिर्फ कैफे नहीं, एक कम्युनिटी है जहां चाय और कॉफी दोनों अपनी जगह पाते हैं।
At Chacoco, we feel like every cup has a story, even every plate has a story, and we just want to tell our customers what it is.
Since our school days, we have been having a lot of similar likes in terms of art, culture, maybe even the social media, the movies, the TV series, and I think a lot of movies also inspired us how to just go about in life and how to have an probably an aim, how to go about things.
We had a very, very big group of friends when we were in school. After school, we moved to different places. So I did my college from Navi Mumbai, and Ashish was in Lucknow only. He did his college from Amity. We were in very, very different fields. I was in Merchant Navy. I was last sailing as chief officer, and he was into market research. And the things moved around professionally, but personally we were very much connected to each other.
दोस्तों ने महसूस किया कि छोटे शहरों में लोग चाय को सिर्फ टपरी या छोटी दुकान तक सीमित समझते हैं।
Because there is a kind of predetermined notion in everybody's mind that chai is always good in tapri. But we wanted to change that notion, and we wanted to bring it up in a good space.
उनका ख्याल था चाय भी डिजर्व करती है एक खास जगह, जैसी कॉफी को मिलती है। हर घूंट कॉफी की गर्माहट, हर कप चाय की मिठास। फिर उन्हें सोचा चाय और कॉफी एक साथ आए।
That was our prime motive, to create a single umbrella for all the beverages.
I mean, this was the place where we came in. The moment we stepped into it, this was all raw. This was nothing like this. There was just a platform. It was all just a raw land, and we thought, I mean, it clicked simultaneously to us that okay, this could be a place wherein we can do a lot of experimentations and bring about the thing that we actually wanted to.
चाकोको में कॉफी सिर्फ एक ड्रिंक नहीं, ये एक अनुभव है, एक यात्रा है हर घूंट का।
As you can see in tier 2 cities, there has not been very successful tea outlets.
उनका कस्टमाइजेबल कॉफी कॉर्नर, जार में रखे अलग अलग बीन्स के साथ, हर सिप को पर्सनल बनता है।
From the moment we were having those happy moments कि ये तो मिल गया, सब कुछ हो गया सारी जगह, I think that was the time where the whole
Things went completely different direction. And I think that is not something very uncommon. I think every food business or per se every businessman has to go through that phase. इतना सिंपल नहीं है इंडिया जैसी कंट्री में किसी भी तरीके का बिजनेस सेटअप करना।
That's when you realize that this is धंधा करना आसान काम नहीं है। Yeah, you actually feel every word of it. Yes, yes.
रोज की 10 चीजें ऐसी रहती हैं जो कि जिसपे हम लोग आर्ग्यूमेंट करते हैं, एंड एक बार जब दिन भर का काम खत्म हो जाता है, देन वी कम बैक टू दैट फ्रेंड्स मोड।
And I think मतलब वो टसल जितना हमने पिछले 1 साल में करा है, I think that is for the best.
चाको को सिर्फ चाय और कॉफी तक सीमित नहीं,
Then we thought about launching a food brand. So our initial model which we were trying to operate was a beverage brand which would operate in a QSR or low areas level. But then when we eventually deep down into it, we realized that the kind of quality we want to deliver or the kind of people we want to cater, for that we need a big space, we need a premium brand, and we need the things to be very, very different. Something which is not there in Lucknow and which is very, very difficult for people to bring in here. So in our menu we have Mexican dishes, Portuguese dishes, Goan dishes, European continental dishes, Mediterranean dishes, even some Asian dishes.
हर रेसिपी ध्यान से क्यूरेट की गई है। हर बाइट में समृद्धि, रचनात्मकता और असली स्वाद का सार है। यहाँ हर डिश फ्लेवर्स का संगम, टेक्सचर्स का खेल। चाकोको में खाना मतलब एक्सप्लोरेशन और हर मील के साथ एक मेमोरेबल एक्सपीरियंस।
कुछ हमारे कस्टमर्स हैं, they like some particular food items only. So we have to prepare those things for them. We have already told our staff कि जो गेस्ट को अच्छा लगता है वो आपको किसी ना किसी तरीके से देना है, if it is practically possible for us.
कुछ कस्टमर्स हर रोज आते हैं अपनी कॉफी के साथ कुछ लम्हे बिताने।
People actually like about Chacoco are the vibe. Like people often say we kind of relate with the vibes of Chacoco.
यहाँ हर रिक्वेस्ट का जवाब है क्रिएटिविटी और डेडिकेशन। शेफ्स अपनी खुशी और पैशन के साथ हर डिश को पर्सनलाइज करते हैं। हर फ्लेवर और प्रेजेंटेशन में कस्टमर की खुशी का एक हिस्सा डालते हैं।
Our ambitions are endless, up to a satiable point, I would say. But as of now, we just wanted to open this place and operate this place in its full capacity. We are still working on construction and we are still waiting for the winters to arrive so that people can have a better taste of Chacoco, because we have an amazing courtyard and it feels really good to just be there. So in our winter menu, we are going to much more deep into the world cuisine part. There are a lot of people who are coming back here since the day one, and some of our guests have probably become our friends.
हर फ्लेवर और प्रेजेंटेशन में कस्टमर की खुशी का एक हिस्सा डालते हैं।
That is the moment when you realize that at least you're trying to do something right and you have done something right. So that's what keeps us going.
ये कहानी उनके सपनों की है और उन हर इंसान की भी जो चाकोको में अपनी दोस्ती और खुशी के पल जीता है।